In primetime news this evening, PNP wins divisional by-elections.
By-election marred by low voter turnout.
And later, more hoteliers walk off the job. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now a little later on, we'll have the business news.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, two West Indies batters narrowly missed out on centuries on the opening day of the first test against Bangladesh. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here to tell us what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, this weekend we are expecting shower activity, especially across sections of northern parishes. But at the start of next week, we are expecting showers and thunderstorms to spread right across the island. We do have some trough systems that should be affecting weather conditions over the next few days.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the low voter turnout in today's by-election?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/TVJNJamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.